Here students, in this part I will talk about causes of soil erosion. As I already have explained in last 3 videos, what are the types of soil erosion basically caused by water, wind and human activities or human actions. So if the question asks in the exam that what are the causes, so you have to write some points and I will explain this point one by one. So be with me to know these points. First of all, that point, heavy population pressure on land. Do you know students that behind every problem we are facing today, the main reason is there that high growth of population or the birth rate of the population. Due to this, we are getting to see that day by day deforestation is happening or increasing at a very rapid rate, as well as that pollution increasing, and with that some other problems. It may be soil erosion, it may be the degradation of the environment, ecological disbalances, number of problems can be there. So here I'm going to tell that how due to this heavy population pressure that the soil erosion is happening. There is an equation, do you know that when the population will be more than the available resource or land. So here I am writing here population, when the population will be more than available land area. The land is fixed, it is not increasing, but the population number increasing day by day, and due to this situation forming, and which is known as the overpopulation, it is known as overpopulation. Hope you have read in 8th class what is overpopulation, when the population pressure will be high on the land, and in this case the demand is high as the population is high, so people will try to increase the production of the crops, people will have the need of residential or settlement area, and other also needs will also increase. In that case, people will deforest the forest covered area and then they settle down there, they will set up some industries, and with that we will see that gradually soil erosion will be there. And one more reason is there, we can see there students that actually our that population how it is increasing nowadays, it is more than 135 crore in this 2020, but there the forest cover area is only 22% or less than 22%. We should actually minimum 30% or 33%, but it is not there. The population that increasing, but the day by day the forest covered area is decreasing. So here students, when the forest cover area decreasing, so our oxygen level also decreasing, and do you know that we are getting support for oxygen on that Amazon forest of South America, that there is no atmospheric boundary, political boundary which can resist that movement of the wind. So whenever the wind is coming from this Amazon, the largest forest of the world, then we are getting enough oxygen. Otherwise the population, due to the population, our pollution also increasing, and day by day the greenhouse gases increasing, and our that we can see in that environment less percentage of oxygen is there, and in this situation other problems also happening. So these are the other effects I am telling. But when I am talking about soil erosion, yes, when the deforestation is there, then soil becoming loose due to that lack of forest covered area, and then soil erosion is happening. Then nature of soil. India is known as monsoonal climate, where maximum that water, it means near about 90% water we can get from monsoonal rain. Okay, monsoonal rain. So here this monsoonal rain is very important, but this monsoon rain is not fixed, it is not we can say every year at the same time we can expect. It is very uncertain, irregular, erratic in nature. in that, as you have read already in that climate chapter. So due to that, this monsoon, wherever this monsoonal rain is uncertain, so sometime due to that heavy downpour or heavy rainfall, we receive that heavy rainwater, and the flood situation occur. And on the other hand, rest of the time of the year, or we can say when there is it is irregular, due to that it's causing a drought situation. Okay, so here this is also another reason, and which is causing the problem and causing the soil erosion. Next is there overgrazing. You know, students, that where there is less forest cover, when we are talking about for desert area, semi-arid or arid area, in that area due to overgrazing, soil erosion can be caused. And next, bad farming techniques. In this bad farming techniques, number of techniques can be there. Lack of crop rotation, lack of crop rotation can be there, that when there is no crop rotation, last day I have talked about that farmers used to leave the land after harvesting any of the crops. So in that case, leaching can be there, as well as that soil erosion also can be there. So we should use crop rotation process. Then people also does not follow, or they do not follow actually, the terrace farming of process, step farming, which should be followed in the hilly areas. Okay, so when they are not following this process, so soil erosion can be there. Next, contour plugging also there. Contour plugging, these are the different process which we should follow to prevent the soil erosion. But when people are not doing this, yes, soil erosion happening. Next, topography which are having steep slope with that we can say that also heavy rainfall also there, heavy rainfall with steep slope. So in that cases, topographical area where rainfall with steep slope is there, that area will have more soil erosion. Like we can tell about that in the northeast part, Shivalik, that is the southern part of Himalaya mountain, where we can see this kind of soil erosion. Next, deforestation. It is, yes, very important reason. This deforestation has been started, actually had been started at the British period only, when the Britishers, they started to that set up or constructed that railway track. They deforested, they converted that forest area into agricultural land to get some cash crops for their also profit. Even some other reasons also they have converted. So deforestation, not only this is the current issue, this issue has been started already in British period, and nowadays wherever the population increasing, people are converting the forest area into agricultural land for growing up more crops to fulfill the demand of the population. So here, students, I have covered this all reasons, that here you can write all these points against the causes of soil erosion. Hope you have understood this, that all that point, and write to the point, not quantity wise, only focus on quality.